Hey, to connect a Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 with Samsung phone, first of all you will have to place both earbuds inside the case, open this cover, click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking red, green and blue. And now we can release. Remember to keep that case open. Now you will actually get this notification on your phone and you can click connect. But if for some reason you don't have this notification, you can tap close, enable Bluetooth on your phone. You have to go into the Bluetooth settings, so you can actually hold the Bluetooth button, then go into the details. And now from available devices list, you will have to select the Galaxy Buds 3. Tap on them once, accept the pairing request. Now you will get the software download. So there's the Galaxy Buds Manager. You can actually sign in into the Samsung account. So it will be useful, for example, if you lost your earbuds and even when they are not connected into the phone, we'll be able to find them. But I'm not gonna use this function, so I'm gonna tap skip. Right here, we can actually unselect everything. You don't have to accept this automatic software updates. So click continue. And now, as you can see, it's finished. So that was pretty fast, right? That's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.